Dear babe, maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice, and we could live so happily